Module 7. This organization, investment and project management model. This, organize, this organization is established as a platform-based multi-actor coordination and business development system operating under local NGO framework. Unlike traditional development interventions that focus on isolated projects, this organization is designed as a system transformation mechanisms that brings together diverse actors, government institutions, private sector entities, technical experts, and communities into a coordinated and functional ecosystems. Its overarching objective is to transform livestock and related value chains by addressing structural constraints, improving productivity, and enabling sustainable commercialization. This organization models is built is built on the understanding that meaningful transformation in the livestock sector requires simultaneous interventions across multiple dimensions, including coordination, extension service delivery, technology adoption, enterprise development, investment facilitation, and independent monitoring. As such, the platform integrates these functions into a unified institutional framework that ensures coherence, efficiency, and scalability. To operationalize this vision, this organization is structured into 10 core functional pillars, namely the System Coordination Unit, the Extension and Technology Adoption Unit, the Business Development Unit, the Emergency Response Unit, the Innovation and Research Unit, the Monitoring, Evaluation and Learning Unit, and the Funding and Resource Mobilization Units, and enabling environments units that includes stakeholders mapping and policy and regulation analysis units. Each of these units has clearly defined mandates. However, their effectiveness lies in their interdependence and continuous interactions. In this structure, the Extension and Technology Adoption Unit plays a particular critical role, serving as a bridge between system design and field-level implementation. While coordination teams design strategies and align stakeholders and business development teams structure enterprises. It is the extension systems that ensures these strategies are translated into practical actions, technology are adopted, and measurable results are achieved at producer and enterprise levels. This integrated architecture ensures a seamless flow from coordination to extension, to business development, to investment, and finally to monitoring and learning, thereby creating a complete and self-reinforcing system. Core investment and implementation models of these organizations. These organizations operationalize its transformation agenda through three interlinked implementation models that define how enterprises are structured, scaled, and sustained across value chains. Investment models. This organization adopts a diversified set of investment models designed to accommodate different types of investors, levels of capitals, and operational contexts. These models are structured to promote scalability, inclusiveness, and efficient utilization of resources within livestock and allied value chains. One, joint venture and franchising model. This is a core model. This organization promotes a hybrid joint venture and franchising model as its primary investment and expansion mechanism. This model is designed to attract capital investment, ensure operational discipline, and enable rapid replication of successful business units. In this joint venture model, this organization facilitates structured partnership between private investors, cooperative entrepreneurs, and technical operators. Each partner contributes defined value such as capital, expertise, market access, or operational capacity within a legally established entity. This organization provides support in feasibility analysis, partner structuring, governance design, and operational setup. This model is particularly suitable for capital-intensive enterprises such as veterinary clinics, feed processing plants, milk collection centers, and livestock processing facilities. The franchising component enables scalability by replicating standardized business models across multiple locations. This organization develops and enforces standardized operating procedures, branding systems, and quality assurance mechanisms, ensuring consistency and reducing operational risk while enabling expansions. The second model is public-private partnership model. The public-private partnership model is designed to leverage collaboration between government institutions and private sector actors to develop strategic infrastructures and service systems within livestock value chains. Under this model, public institutions contribute assets such as land, infrastructure, and policy support, while private partners bring investment capitals, management capacity, and operational efficiency. And these organizations plays a facilitation roles by structuring partnerships, aligning stakeholder interests, and ensuring performance accountability. This model is particularly suitable for large-scale and public good-oriented investments such as livestock market centers, quarantine facilities, slaughterhouse, cold chain systems, and training centers. The third model is community-private partnership model. The community-private partnership model is designed to operationalize this organization philosophy of democratizing investments by enabling structured participation of communities as economic partners. In this model, communities organized through cooperative associations or community shareholding structures participate as co-investor alongside private investors. Community contribution may include land, labor, local knowledge, or pooled capital, while private partners contribute financial investment, technical expertise, and management systems. These organizations facilitate the structuring of these partnerships, ensuring fair governance, transparent benefit sharing mechanisms, and long-term sustainability. This model is particularly effective in integrating smallholder farmers and pastoralists into higher value segments of the livestock economy. And the fourth model is cluster-based livestock business park model, shared infrastructure model. This organization introduced a cluster-based livestock business park model, which focuses on the development of shared infrastructure platforms that host multiple agribusiness enterprises or individuals within a defined geographic areas. Under this model, this organization facilitates the establishment of centralized business parks equipped with essential infrastructure such as processing facilities, storage systems, veterinary services, feed supply units, water access, and market linkage services. Individual entrepreneurs, small enterprise, and service providers operate within this park by leasing or renting space and facilities. This model reduces entry barriers for small and medium investors by minimizing capital requirements and enabling access to high quality infrastructures. It also enhances efficiency through economies of scale, improves quality control, and strengthens coordination among value chain actors. The cluster approach further supports innovation, knowledge sharing, and integration of services, making it a critical model for scaling inclusive and competitive livestock business ecosystems. The fifth model is cluster-based farming model. The cluster farming model organizes geographically concentrated farmers into coordinated production and service units based on commodity specialization such as dairy, poultry, short, apiculture, aquaculture, and fattening systems. Within each cluster, farmers operate under a shared service ecosystems that includes input supply, veterinary services, extension support, artificial insemination, and market linkage systems. This organization facilitates cluster governance structures to ensure coordination, collective bargaining power, and service efficiency. Cluster systems reduce transaction costs, improve traceability, strengthen quality control, and create a reliable supply base for private investors and franchise operators. These models serve as a foundational production base upon which a joint venture and a franchised enterprise operates. The second is the investment project management model. Just this organization project management model is one, agile project management and scaling approach. The organization applies an agile project management approach to ensure adaptive learning, risk reduction, and evidence-based scaling. Implementation begins with small-scale pilots, typically within a single woreda and focused in on one livestock chains for business models. These pilot interventions are used to test feasibility, assess market response, refine operational systems, and identify implementation bottlenecks. Continuous monitoring and iterative learning are central to this phase, and the whole phases lessons learned are systematically documented and used to improve the model design. Once a pilot demonstrates operational and financial viability, the organization proceeds to progressive replication across additional worlds and regions and business sectors, ensuring that each expansion phase incorporates improvements from previous cycles. The agile approach ensures that expansion is not linear but evolutionary, reducing failure risk while strengthening system intelligence and adaptability. The second management is anchor company model, use strategic investment and franchising backbone model. This organization introduced anchor company model as a central institutional mechanisms to drive large-scale investment mobilization, enterprise coordination, and brand-based expansion across livestock and agribusiness value chains. The anchor company is a legally established shareholder-owned enterprise formed through a participation of large communities, strategic investors, and institutional partners. The core purpose of the anchor company is to serve a system stabilizer, investment hub, and franchisor entity that ensures coherence, scalability, and sustainability of business operations within each major livestock and agribusiness sectors. Unlike standalone private enterprise, the anchor company is designed as a collective investment platform where shares are distributed among community groups, cooperative investors, and strategic partners. This structure ensures inclusive ownership while enabling the mobilization of large-scale capital required for commercial transformation. The strategic function of the anchor company. The anchor company performs three interrelated strategic functions within the organization systems. One, co-investment platform. The anchor company serves as a central co-investment vehicle that pools capital from diverse stakeholders, including institutional investors, diaspora communities, cooperatives, and private sector actors. It then deploys this capital into structured livestock and agribusiness ventures developed under this organization coordination. Through these mechanisms, the anchor company reduces fragmentation of investment, improves financial scale efficiency, and ensures risk sharing among shareholders. The second, franchisor and brand owner. The anchor company acts as the official franchisor entity for standardized business models developed. It owns and manages the brand entity, operational standards, quality control systems, and service protocols that are replicated across multiple franchise outlets. Each anchor company is responsible for maintaining brand integrity, ensuring operational consistency, and enforcing franchisee compliance across all decentralized business units. This franchising role enables rapid scaling of proven business models such as veterinary service, feed production, milk collection systems, fattening centers, poultry production hubs, and other livestock related enterprises. Third, sector based value chain leadership. For each major livestock or agribusiness value chains, a dedicated anchor company is established. These sector-specific anchor companies function as specialized holdings and coordination entities that oversee investments, operations, and franchisee expansion within their respective domains. For example, separate anchor companies may be created for livestock health, livestock feed, dairy, poultry, shots, beef production, apiculture, fish production, hides and skins, and quality assurance. This specialization ensures deep technical focus, improved efficiency, and stronger market positioning within each sector. Governance and accountability. Anchor companies operate under a shareholder governance systems with clear accountability mechanisms, Strategic decisions are made through shareholder assemblies and professional management boards, while operational execution is handled by technical management teams. To ensure transparency and institutional integrity, anchor companies are subject to independent monitoring and evaluation process facilitated by independent these organization meal units, monitoring, evaluation, learning units. This governance structure ensures that anchor companies remain both commercially efficient and socially accountable. Strategic significance. The anchor company model represents the high level of institutional consolidation, integrating investment, branding, franchising, and sector leadership into a single operational framework. It ensures that fragmented local enterprise evolve into structured, scalable, and investor-ready agribusiness systems capable of driving long-term transformation in Ethiopia's livestock economy.